story at this hour is coming in from the national capital and these shameful visuals. Well, what you see on your screen right now is the office of the Delhi Jal Board being vandalized by allegedly BJP workers. I say allegedly at this point because most of them are seen sloganeering against Arvind Kejriwal, wearing the BJP badges on them, holding BJP banners as well. They broke down the gates, broke down the window panes, vandalized the furniture, even injured a few, we are told at this time. All this as they were protesting against the Arvind Kejriwal government. What was it all about? Why has it come to a point that such massive exertion of power in a way, and this shameful act is taking place right in the heart of the national capital? We'll be looking at all the facts regarding that. We'll be joined by Raghav Chadha, whose office is right there at the Delhi Jal Board. He is the vice chairman of the Delhi Jal Board as well. And these are the visuals of how it looks like at the moment. That's the banner of the BJP. This is what the Delhi Jal Board currently looks like, the aftermath of that shameful vandalism that took place. Let's go across live now. Raghav Chadha is with NDTV at this point. Raghav, quick reaction with you first up on what exactly happened. The news that we have from our sources is that around 12 o'clock or so, BJP was protesting outside the gates, but then they broke the gates, got inside. Why and what were they protesting about?
Well, Sonal, the modus operandi is identical to the attack and the house arrest that happened with the Honorable Chief Minister. It is identical to what happened with the Deputy Chief Minister. The BJP, one day prior to the attack, notifies the media, notifies the Delhi police saying that we will go and protest outside XYZ building. In this case, it was my office. That is the headquarters of the Delhi Jal Board at Jhandewalan. They were there in hundreds. They were sloganeering. They were charged. And the Delhi police, as well as, all the senior most officers of the Delhi police, though were present, did not stop them. These guys walked into the premises of the Jal Board, which is a huge office complex in Jhandewalan. They came straight into the reception area at the ground floor, broke the doors, broke the glasses, the windows, vandalized the office, vandalized my...
And they have no qualms about it because they've put out videos, they're recording the entire thing, they put it out on social media as well. So I think it is... Nobody is disputing the fact that this was done by the BJP at this point. I want to give in a quick word to the...
May I just, Sonal?
Okay, 30 seconds, yeah.
Yes, there's a lot of, as far as this allegation regarding the fact that it was led by BJP is concerned, let me say this in no uncertain terms, that the BJP state president, Mr. Adesh Gupta, is leading the mob. He can be seen in these videos. The senior most office bearers of the Delhi unit of the BJP are present themselves there with their goons. They enter into my office, they break the computer, the printer, they heckle the staff, they threaten the staff. You see blood stains on the floor. Women staffers of my office were threatened, heckled and pushed. In fact, one particular female colleague of mine did not leave the premises. She locked herself into a room, did not leave the room for 45 minutes, even after the attack and even after when they left the Jal Board premises. She was that traumatized that she did not even step out. This is the mental pain, agony and plight that the BJP has caused. They have broken my office. They have broken the portrait of Arvind Kejriwal. They have broken the planters that I had outside my office. They have destroyed my nameplate. And they have said this in no uncertain terms, Sonal, that Raghav Chadha, अपने केजरीवाल को जाकर बोल देना, किसानों का हितैषी मत बने, किसानों के पक्ष में ज्यादा ना बोले, नहीं तो एक एक करके तुम सब पे ऐसे ही जानलेवा हमले होंगे, हम तुम्हें चुनौती देने आए हैं. This is what they said to me in no uncertain terms.
Raghav, were you inside your office when this attack took place?
Well, I was not inside, I was outside when all this was happening. And it was only with the grace of God that I was lucky enough to not get physically injured by the mob.
Right. All right. Let me give in a word to Mahesh Verma. He is from the BJP joining us at this point. Mr. Verma, regardless to say that all the evidence at this point is against you, it's been a shameful act on how BJP leaders have taken law in their own hands. What can you possibly say to defend this at this point?
पता नहीं आम आदमी पार्टी जो दिल्ली में जो है चीफ सेक्रेटरी से लेके पता नहीं कितने अफसरों को पीट चुके हैं, अधमरा कर चुके हैं। अभी हाल में ही दुर्गेश पाठक एंड और लोगों ने
तो
जो
ये
है
रिस्पॉन्स अटैक है आपके हिसाब से?
नहीं, रिस्पॉन्स की मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
तो फिर आप क्यों बात कर रहे हैं
इस तरह की बातें सुन के राघव चड्ढा और आम आदमी पार्टी जो है इस तरह के हथकंडे
सर, आप राघव चड्ढा को एक मिनट के लिए भूल जाइए। आप सिर्फ विजुअल्स देखिए जो भी स्क्रीन पे चल रहे हैं।
घोटाले हैं,
आप सिर्फ विजुअल्स देख के मुझे वर्मा जी बताइए कि ऐसा क्यों करा बीजेपी ने।
एफआईआर कराइए ना, पुलिस को बोलिए एफआईआर कराइए, उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा।
So you agree this was done by the BJP?
राघव चड्ढा जी के ही लोग जो थे वही तोड़फोड़ करके और बीजेपी वालों को रोकने की कोशिश की है। तो सवाल ये है, आज की डेट में जो कानूनन बनता है, ये खुद वहां नहीं थे, ये खुद एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि वहां हम थे नहीं, वहां हम नहीं होने के बाद भी ये आई विटनेस की तरह बात कर रहे हैं। मुझे तो समझ, और आज ये बात जो है किसानों से कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं।
स्टाफ की बात बता रहे हैं ना वर्मा जी कि उनका स्टाफ था, उसने सब देखा, सब सुना, वो उनकी बात बता रहे हैं।
क्रॉस करिएगा उनके लिए तो अच्छा नहीं रहेगा। जो मुझे कहना है उसको कह लेने दीजिए। किसानों की बात इसमें कहां से कनेक्ट इन्होंने कर दिया? राजनीति ये देख रहे हैं, राजनीति ये कर रहे हैं। सवाल ये है कि राघव जी के ऑफिस में कोई अगर हमला हुआ है, किसी ने हमला किया, उसका कानूनी कानूनी जो प्रक्रिया है वो अपनानी चाहिए। कानूनी कार्रवाई जो है पुलिस की तरफ से वो होनी चाहिए, देखना चाहिए।
और I have to take you, I agree with you on actually one thing. I actually agree with you on one thing that I have not seen a link. Correct. 1 second. I don't see a link with the attack that took place today to the farmers' protest, something that Arvind Kejriwal has spoken about in his tweet, something that Raghav, you've been saying as well. The posters that we have seen at the site of that protest and at your office also were about contaminated water. The tweet that has just come out from Mr. Adesh of the BJP as well also talks about how Aam Aadmi Party had promised 24-hour water supply. That has not happened. That is the reason why they were protesting. What makes you think this was about the farmers and the protest there?
Well, what makes me think about that this is about the farmers is because that is what the BJP leader said. Under the garb of some alleged contamination of some water in some part of the Delhi, hundreds and hundreds of BJP leaders and goons, led by the Delhi BJP chief himself, barge into my office, vandalize my office, threaten my staff, and say that please go and inform your Arvind Kejriwal to not stand with the farmer, to not raise their demands. And they said this to me. They said this to my staff in no uncertain terms. That look, we first attacked Arvind Kejriwal. Then may I just finish?
ना पुलिस को बताया है जो ये
वर्मा जी आपके पास आएंगे आपको पूरा समय देंगे बात करने का। एक सेकंड रुक जाए राघव, go ahead.
After physically attacking, they now wish to verbally attack us. They said, Sonal, that we attacked Arvind Kejriwal first, then we attacked Manish Sisodia, and after that we've come to your office to attack you. And if you guys don't stop, if you guys don't stop saying things in favor of the farmer, if you do not stop your seva that you are doing for the farmer at the Singhu border, these attacks will continue.
Well,
we will continue attacking you and your
leaders.
I
have seen no evidence at least so far linking these attacks to the farmers' protest. One second, gentlemen, one at a time. Mr. Verma, what I want to understand from you is systematically, look at the sequence of events in the past week or so. Attack against the Deputy Chief Minister, his house, his gate is broken down and people reach inside. Look at the office of the Delhi Jal Board, what's happening over there. What is going on? What is the strategy, the new strategy that BJP has adopted, that you will go and try to bulldoze your way against Aam Aadmi Party leaders? It is clearly visible in these visuals that it was the BJP that led this attack.
सोनल जी, जो कंसर्न है आपका या जो आपके दर्शकों को मालूम चलना चाहिए वो अपने आप राघव जी बता रहे हैं और आप भी उस चीज को नरेट कर रही हैं कि जो कुछ भी अटैक हो रहा है इनके यहाँ वो किसान आंदोलन की वजह से हो रहा है। बीजेपी किसान आंदोलनकारी यही एक पार्टी बची हुई है जो दिल्ली में किसी को किसान नहीं मानती है, जो नोटिफिकेशन करती है उस कानून का।
किसान आंदोलन वाली बात तो मैं खुद कह रही हूँ वर्मा जी कि मेरे पास एविडेंस नहीं है इस बात का भी। आप मुझे बताइए वायलेंस क्यों हुआ?
के यहाँ बीजेपी के कार्यकर्ता जो है जाके अटैक करेंगे? वाह, क्या लॉजिक है।
आप डिनाई करते हैं। एक सेकंड, कैन आई जस्ट आस्क माय प्रोड्यूसर्स टू प्ले दैट शॉट ऑफ द बीजेपी लीडर्स लीडिंग दैट प्रोटेस्ट। वर्मा जी एक सेकंड लगेगा, आपको पूरी बात क्लियर हो जाएगी। लेट्स प्ले दो शॉट्स अगेन एंड लेट्स शो यू how the BJP leaders with the BJP banners on them were actually leading these protests. You see it for yourself, sir. आप खुद देखकर हमें बताइए।
नहीं, हम क्या देख के बताएं आपको? हम स्पष्ट रूप से कह रहे हैं कि अगर कोई आदमी गलत है तो इनके लोगों ने कहीं एफआईआर कराया, कंप्लेन दिखा देना राघव चड्ढा जी कि हमने ये कंप्लेन एफआईआर कराया। ये आपको आके टीवी पे आपके दर्शकों को जो ये कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं, ये भ्रम फैला रहे हैं, ये कह रहे हैं कि किसानों का ये सिंपैथी लेने का काम कर रहे हैं। ये चूंकि इनको यूपी उत्तराखंड में चुनाव लड़ना है तो किस तरह से किसानों के बीच में अपनी पॉपुलैरिटी को एस्टेब्लिश किया जाए, घोटाले घपले की बात ये कर नहीं रहे हैं। पूछा जाए कि आज हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष आदेश गुप्ता जी की अगुवाई में जो वहां पे पहले भी 3 बार 4 बार ये चीज किया जा चुका है वहां।
ओके, 1 सेकंड, आप टुडे राघव चड्ढा रिस्पॉन्ड वेरी क्विकली। वर्मा जी 1 सेकंड,
आज उस घटने को अंजाम दिया गया है।
1 सेकंड, आपकी बात सुना, भी राघव को रिस्पॉन्ड करने दीजिए
करके और इसको कनेक्ट कर दिया जाए किसान के साथ। ये तो बहुत पुरानी चीज जो है, बहुत पुरानी चीज लोग करते आए हैं।
You will have to put his fader down. These guys are violent. They can attack you on these news shows. They can physically attack you.
One second, Raghav. 1 second. Verma ji, now look at your screen right now. Look at your screen right now. You have Mr. Adesh Gupta on your screen right after that attack. He's leading it. He's saying he's done it. And you are telling me on this program that the BJP did not cause this violence. These are visuals that has come out of his own tweet.
सुनिए, आप जबरदस्ती किसी चीज को सोनल जी बताने और जताने की कोशिश करिएगा, उससे मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ। सवाल यह है कि आज की डेट में राघव जी इस चीज को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं किसान से कि किसान उन्होंने ये जो आए हैं वो इसलिए नहीं आए हैं।
किसान से जोड़ना है नहीं जोड़ना है वो मैं राघव जी से पूछ लूंगी। आप मुझे बताइए वायलेंस क्यों हुआ,
क्यों हम समर्थन कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए वो आए हैं।
वर्मा जी, वायलेंस क्यों हुआ? बीजेपी के जो लीडर है दिल्ली ने, उन्होंने जाकर मारपीट कैसे करी, तोड़फोड़ कैसे करी, ये बताइए आप।
मैं आपसे पूछता हूं कि राघव चड्ढा जी ने कोई कंप्लेन इस तरह की दर्ज कराई है जो उसको दिखा सकते हैं आपके दर्शकों को? पूछिए इनसे, है इनके पास? अगर कोई सरकारी संपत्ति को किसी तरह से आप दिखवा दीजिए,
पूछ लेते हैं ये बात। राघव प्लीज गो अहेड।
Yes, so first of all, Sonal, the DCP, the local SHO, and several senior most officers of the Delhi police were present at the site themselves when this entire attack was being conducted. They were just bystanders. They stood by, they stood on the side, they permitted these goons to vandalize the office, injure my staff, threaten my staff. In fact, when your reporter came and he did a walkthrough in the office, he saw blood stains of my colleagues, my staff on the floor and on the door panels. That's point number 1. Point number 2, BJP is capable of eliminating us. I'm saying this on national television. This is not a sensational statement. It is a statement of fact. They can tomorrow get any of us murdered, eliminated from the face of earth.
Raghav,
they are capable of doing this. And no, this is precisely, I agree it's a strong statement, and I'm making this statement with a complete sense of responsibility. Just look at what's been happening in Delhi over the last few days. The other day, they barged into, several dozen goons of the BJP barged into the Deputy Chief Minister's office when his wife and his son were present in at the residence, I beg your pardon. And they vandalized the entire office, the residence, and threatened them. Something similar happened with me today. Verbal threats are being given by these attackers that we will eliminate you, amend your ways, stop supporting the farmers, stop doing this, stop doing that. This is precisely what
Raghav,
the BJP has been doing.
About now, it? Have you informed this to the Delhi police? Are we going to see more security around you? What is going to happen now?
Well, I've been given to understand that the Delhi police
ये कह रही हैं कि आप बताइए राघव जी, मैंने कहा कि राघव जी ने, अगर राघव जी का कोई कंप्लेन दिखा देना आपके दर्शकों को, बता दें कि ये चीज है। दूसरा ये कह रहे हैं कि मुख्यमंत्री के घर पे हमला हो गया, मुख्यमंत्री के घर पे धरना प्रदर्शन अगर 13,000 करोड़ के लिए किया जा रहा है, दिल्ली के हित में पैसे मांगे जा रहे हैं, वो नहीं दिए जा रहे हैं सोना जी, तो उसमें क्या बुरा धरना प्रदर्शन करना? इनके नजर में सारा
वर्मा जी, आप बताएं क्या कर रहे हैं इस डिबेट पर? आप सिर्फ सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, आप किसी सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं। मैं आपसे बार बार पूछ रही हूँ कि वायलेंस क्यों हुआ, मैं बार बार पूछ रही हूँ आपके पार्टी के स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट क्या कर रहे थे डीजीपी के बाहर, आप उसका जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं। आप मुझे बता रहे हैं मुझे कैसे सवाल पूछने चाहिए। आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए ना पहले।
हम आपसे उम्मीद नहीं रखते हैं कि आप मेरे से सवाल क्या पूछे। हम तो ये जानते हैं कि जो आप लॉजिक दे रही हैं कि मुख्यमंत्री के यहाँ हमला, डिप्टी प्राइम
मैं लॉजिक
सीएम
नहीं,
के
मैं
यहाँ हमला,
एविडेंस दे रही हूँ। अपनी
मैं आपसे
स्क्रीन
पूछा
पर
कि
देखिए,
राघव
आपके
चड्ढा आपके
लीडर
दर्शकों
वहां
को
थे।
दिखा देना कि ये कंप्लेन है मेरा, ये कंप्लेन है मेरा, ये मेरे साथ हुआ, ये बोलकर चले जाएंगे, सिंपैथी ले लेंगे, आपको दर्शकों को कंफ्यूज कर
Okay, I have last 30 seconds on this, and then I'll do a reality check as well. I'll go to my reporter and I'll ask him to give his unbiased thing, because right now we're just hearing two sides of the story. Verma ji, you have to let Raghav Chadha respond now. Raghav, please, last 30 seconds to you.
Yes, Sonal, after the attack, I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister on phone. I informed him of this entire incident that has taken place and how threats are being given to us merely because we are siding with the farmers and we are raising demands which are pro-farmer and anti-government. And the Honorable Chief Minister said to me कि अंतिम सांस तक हम सब ने मिलकर देश के किसान की लड़ाई लड़नी है, डरना नहीं है. So I am saying this to BJP that we will not get scared. We are not afraid of you.
इसी प्रचार
We will
अभियान के
continue
लिए
to
आप
fight
लोगों
for
को
the
बुलाते हैं और यही चीज आप लोग
BJP trying
कराते
to
हैं.
attack you because of the farmers issue.
Well,
All the posters. Look at, I have evidence for you as well.
It is BJP's own. No, I am saying
But Raghav, look
BJP's
at the
own leaders
posters.
are
They were
putting up
about water
Facebook
supply.
Live.
They had nothing to do
Yes.
with the farmers' protest.
Yes, under the garb of some alleged
घोटाले की
contamination
क्यों
of
बात नहीं
water in
करते हैं
some
आप?
part of
वो आपने
Delhi.
घपले की क्यों
They
नहीं
have
बात
been
करते
एक
आप?
मिनट में
हम
पूछ
जो
रही हूँ,
सवाल
उनको
उठाते हैं
जवाब
उसके
दे
जवाब क्यों नहीं
दीजिए।
देते हो? This is the
In fact,
problem.
it is BJP's leaders on Facebook Lives and videos that they themselves have put out on their social media platforms, from where you can check that how the BJP goons are threatening us and saying what I've just said to you regarding the farmer protest. It is they themselves that they have put out these videos.
जनता
It is
के
not that
पैसे
the Aam
send
खाकर
it to
Aadmi
us.
Party
We
has
would
बची
done
है
it.
love
और
to
उसका
have a
उसके
look
ऊपर
at
हम
them as
सवाल
well.
खड़ा कर रहे हैं तो
I
हम
will-
गुंडे हो
I
गए,
will most-
हम बदमाश
do
हो गए.
send it to us, Raghav.
ये
Let's
जो
have a
कुछ
look
भी
at that
करें
as well at the
वो सब
moment.
अच्छा है. ये
Okay, I
इनका
have to
पुण्य है
put
और
both
हमारा
the
पाप है.
faders down right now. Mahesh Verma, Raghav Chadha, thank you so much, both of you, for giving
you.
us your time and talking about this absolutely shameful event that has taken place in the national capital.